If you want to get the iPhone emojis on your Redmi 15C, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. Now let's start the video. First of all, let's check the emojis on our keyboard. As you can see, as I open the keyboard and if I go to the emojis section, as you can see, these are the default emojis on our smartphone. And if you want to change it to the iPhone emojis, just go to your home screen and open the Themes app on your smartphone. At the top of the screen, just go to the font section. In the font section, just tap on the search bar and search this. Make sure to type exactly what I'm typing so you could find the font. After you type this text, then tap on search. As you can see, this is the font. Just tap on it. Then tap on free to install it. Tap on apply. Now as you can see, we have successfully applied this font on our smartphone. Now if you go to the home screen and open the keyboard on our smartphone, then go to the emojis section. As you can see, we have successfully applied the iPhone emojis on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can get the iPhone emojis on the Redmi 15C. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.